What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete downloaded software update on your iPhone or iPad. Before getting started, let's see pros of this tutorial. Using this guide you can make free up space on your device. Second thing is, if you have accidentally software update downloaded but you don't want to install it due to you have stable update installed. Third thing is that useful to stop a constant irritating reminder pop-up. That is, iOS is available for your iPhone and is ready to install software update. Fourth and last special thing is that this way is also helpful for guys who are often getting iOS installation stuck on verifying updates. So let's get started. To do that, open the settings apps on your iPhone or iPad. Next, click on the General Settings tab. On the General Settings page, select iPhone storage or iPad storage, whatever you have. Now here you can get your device storage settings that contains all the apps on your iPhone, including software update. Please scroll down and select the downloaded software update file. Select the specific iOS update. For example, I have iOS 15 developer beta. In your case, it may be recently available iOS or iPadOS. So I click on it and now I click on delete update to confirm. So from now, I get rid of the install pop-up and get free up storage space to save other important pictures, books and videos as well as many more stuff. So dear friends, now my iPhone will no longer be updated to iOS 15 beta anymore. Don't worry, you can re-download it from Settings app, then type General and click on Software Update. I hope you found this video helpful. Guys, if you did not subscribe yet, let's click on How to Install YouTube channel page subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to choose all, so that from now you can get all new video notifications. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.